This video is on classifying data. You'll find that this matches up with exercise 7b in your exercise book. Our learning goal is simply to classify data. It really is as simple as that. Now, how do we classify it? Well, it can be put into two categories. Your data might be categorical, which means that it's placed in categories, so non-numerical form, nothing to do with numbers. It might be hair colour, type of vehicle, favourite music, favourite food. And even further from that, if it is categorical, it might be nominal, which means that you need subgroups as well to complete the description. So if your category is hair colour, then to complete the description, well, what hair colour is it? Is it blonde or brown? Maybe eye colour, blue or green? So that would be nominal. Now, if it's not nominal, it might be ordinal. Ordinal means it needs a ranking. Ordinal sounds a little bit like the word order. Okay, there's an order to it. So this might be grades, A, B, C, D. So they are categories, but they do also have a ranking in them. The second major category is quantitative. You will often heard this referred to as numerical data. So I'd like you to write that in there as well. This might be height, number of children in the family. It has to do with a number. Now, you might have numerical data that is discrete. This means it's counted in exact values, like goals scored in a football match. Now, they're often in whole numbers, but not always. If it's not discrete, it will be continuous. That means measured on a continuous decimal scale, like mass or temperature. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. State whether the following pieces of data are categorical or quantitative, numerical. Part A, the value of sales recorded at each branch of a fast food outlet. Well, value of sales indicates money, which is numbers, so it's numerical or quantitative. I'm going to use those words interchangeably so that you're used to hearing them. The breeds of dog that appear at a dog show. Well, that's a category, breeds of dog. It has nothing to do with numbers, so we would say it's categorical. Second example, classify each of the following data using two selections from the following descriptive words: categorical, quantitative, and then after that, break it down even further. Is it nominal or ordinal? Is it discrete or continuous? The number of students absent from school. Okay, well, as soon as we hear the word number, we're thinking, well, okay, that's numerical or quantitative. It's a quantity. Now, even further from that, scroll back up to your table. So we know it's quantitative. Is it discrete, so counted in exact values, or is it continuous? Well, it's clearly discrete. We're not going to have 6.72 students absent from school. We want whole numbers, 6 students or 7 students. So we would say and discrete. What about the types of vehicles using a certain road? Well, types suggests that it's a category, so categorical, has nothing to do with a number. And we could even break that down into subgroups. The types of vehicle, well, it might be Ford or it might be Holden, Mitsubishi. So we would say categorical and nominal. All right, the various pizza sizes available at a local takeaway. All right, well, let's think about what you might order. Pizza sizes, it might be small, it might be medium, it might be large. So we would call that categorical. It's a category. But do they have a particular order to them? Yes, they do. So we would say and ordinal. Small, medium, large, they are in an order. All right, last one, the room temperature at various times during a particular day. Well, we're going to get a number for the room temperature, so we would say numerical, or quantitative, Alright, and scrolling back up, is it discrete or continuous? Well, temperature can be measured on a continuous decimal scale. So we would say and continuous. Alright, so let's check our learning goal again. Classify data, and more specifically, classify a categorical variable as either ordinal or nominal. So yes, we've done that. And classify a numerical variable as either discrete or continuous. To practice that, I'd like you to have a look at exercise 7b, all questions, and specifically these past HSC questions relate exactly to this video. Thank you.